Hello students, welcome to Nishad physics class. Today we are going to learn and discuss EMF and terminal potential of a cell. Just consider here a cell connected with external resistance R and switch S. We know that every cell has its own internal resistance. So inside cell, this is I am showing internal resistance R. This is internal resistance R. Now just connect both terminals with an ideal voltmeter. Now first EMF, electromotive force. It is very clear. No current is drawn from the external resistance R. No current is drawn from R. Simple. No current is drawn from R. That is switch off condition. Switch off condition. Switch off condition. Switch off condition. Then simply potential difference between two terminals of a cell is known as EMF of a cell. It means potential difference between two terminals of a cell, two terminals of a cell is known as EMF. Is known as EMF and generally noted by this is the E. Then it is very simple that no current is drawn from the external circuit, no current through the resistance, then potential difference between two terminals of the cell, that is positive and negative, is known as EMF of the cell. Now here terminal potential. Terminal potential. In EMF, in this condition, because no current through external circuit, no current through the external circuit, no current through the resistance R, it means this internal resistance is not taken into consideration. So no potential drop against this internal resistance R. It means no potential drop against internal resistance R, then value noted by voltmeter is EMF. Now here current is drawn through external circuit R. External circuit, that is resistance R. External circuit, resistance R. This is condition of switch on. Switch on condition. Switch on condition. Then this is the direction of the current. Now current starts flow. That here potential difference. Now switch is on, current moves. Now potential drop is taken between two terminals of the cell. Potential drop, our difference between two terminals of a cell is known as as terminal potential. Terminal potential. Terminal potential. And generally denoted by V. Then one thing is very clear, that when switch off condition, no current through external circuit, that is resistance, then potential drop between two terminals of a cell is known as EMF, and no potential drop on the internal resistance R, because no current through the circuit. But when switch on, current runs in the conductor, in the circuit, in the resistance. Now measure potential difference between two terminals of a cell. This measurement is known as terminal potential. Okay. Now we know that here current leaving potential of the current leaving positive of the cell. So here that first I current, talk about the I. Current I is equal to E and R plus R. We get this formula here. Now one thing here, condition one, that current leaving positive terminal of the cell. Terminal of the cell. It is also known as case of discharging. Also known as case of discharging. And this is the case of discharging like this. This is the internal resistance R here, R, and this is case of discharging. In this case, E greater than V. It means EMF is greater than terminal potential, and E equal to V plus I R. This is the formula. Now, second case. Second case, current entering positive of the cell, This is condition of charging. In this case, V must be greater than E. This is the condition of charging. Current is going in here, current is entering in the positive of the cell, and this is the internal resistance R. This is the case of charging. In this case, V greater than E, and so here V equal to E plus I R. Generally, in third world countries, and that is the developing countries, that generally that inverter is used. We know that whole day, week, complete week, inverter is charged, and that is the case of charging. So power supply is known as terminal potential. So in that case, at the time of charging a cell, when current is continuing and going on your house, our home, then it is the case V equal to E plus IR. But when light gone, then current is taken from the battery. This is the case of discharging. Here this formula used, E equal to V plus IR. But here V is equal to E plus IR. So okay, I gave a very brief idea of the terminal potential and the EMF. In the next lecture, we are going to do two numericals, our three numericals. that is based on the EMF and terminal potential. Okay, thank you very much. See you again.